Inline tube, knocking it out of the park again. Look at these pretty brake lines. Beautiful. Everything where it's supposed to be. No BS. No oddball twists. Like, you just start them on both ends, run them down, done deal. Inline tube, nailing it. Got our block back in for mock-up. Wick and I just wrestled that in because we're strong.
That's the best after lunch exercise there could be.
I don't know. I can think of a few other things, but I don't think it involves us together because that's just weird.
That is weird.
We went too far.
Yeah.
Going up. Second floor, menswear. Third floor, ladies' lingerie.
That's probably good, you think?
Fourth floor. What's on the fourth floor?
There's no telling.
Cookware and G-strings.
Telling what's up there. God,
the-
it looks awful tight for that bell housing to get in there, but
It's the 18 and over floor.
18 and over. Let's move this thing behind this semi-blinding.
Yeah. It'll make for shitty video too.
Yeah.
Even though 95% of this stuff's just fluff. At least we think we're funny.
Filler.
Filler. Gives me something to do.
I'll have to remember to get this out before we lower the lift.
Fuck that. Let's see how strong it is.
Yeah.
All right. On the way. On the way.
Smells like paint under here.
I wonder why that is. All right, Wiki, we got it bolted down. Trans, cross members bolted. What you doing?
Yeah, trying to make a mark without much success.
Well, at least, because I jacked it up earlier and it was banging. There's not as much interference from what we can see.
We got
A little bit around the shifter here. Looks like. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, it ain't too shabby. Looks good. Right. Wick's armed with a cutoff there. He's got his clearancing marks. We've had the trans in. He's just trimming up right here just a wee bit. And then he's gonna dimple dye this stuff. He might do that tonight. We might do that next week. We'll see. Depends how frisky he feels this evening.
It does. It totally does.
How frisky is Wick?
It's hard to say. So far, so good.
The paint fumes are coming
Might
down.
have to do a little more painting to keep it up, but yeah, so far, so good.
Motor, bell housing, well, block. Got all our bolts in, thank God.
Yeah, that was
That was
good.
a epic journey.
That was.
Productive day.
It was a very productive day.
We've had 2 good ones in a row now.
I know. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, let's see if we can do 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Alrighty, that closes out today's footage.
It's a wrap.
That's a wrap.